The advert is about how adults, when confronted with legal matters and how they deal with them, can make them feel quite small.
The thing that we found most powerful, and we think the most important thing people need to understand about the cooperative legal services, is that they're empathetic, they care about you, they care how the legal process is for you, and they want to make it as simple and as smooth as possible for you.
I think we've used a beautiful mechanic in that we've displayed that feeling anxious or feeling small by the use of children and how that adult might feel when concerned and feeling those anxious moments.
One of the really important aspects of this ad is to make sure that the analogy using children is really clear and explicit for everyone by making sure that our co-op customer in the kitchen at the end reflects one of the children that's featured in the ad. So we've chosen the little girl in the library scene who has lovely, distinctive red hair and gorgeous blue eyes. So we wanted to make sure that was put across in our co-op customer at the end. So our lovely actress has very kindly agreed to wear blue contact lenses, and she also had to dye her hair slightly more red just to kind of really make sure it was as vibrant and as lovely as the little girl.
The director is Jamie Raffin, very well-known director. He was really keen to use the children in a way that made the children quite relaxed, but he wanted to make sure that the children weren't in any way looking like the victims in this situation, that they were just looking like people would normally look, which is quite anxious about the various things that if you like, create that fear when you're dealing with legal matters and the law generally.
It's been a fairly fast-moving shoot, so they've been continuous shooting days, running between locations. We've had art departments setting up before the crews arrived. We've also been all over London. We've been in central London at the Tate Modern. We've been in Holborn, kind of right in the heart of Legal City.
What I really wanted it to portray is that the consumer is at the centre and the heart of our proposition, and that the advert is displaying our awareness of their fears and concerns when dealing with legal matters.